Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be the second video in my little mini series on how I'm using my planners. This video is on my everyday carry. I recently changed things, so it's not completely set up, so there's going to be a lot of empty stuff, but I'll get to that. But let's just get to the beginning. This cover is by Printpression, and it was the Scribble Prints Co. collab. I'm not 100% sure. This charm is from Happy Scrappy. And then let's go to the bottom. Okay, so this charm, sorry you guys. This charm is also by Happy Scrappy. It came from the little Hello Kitty inspired kit. This charm, oh my goodness, this is a mess. It's very hard to show you guys, especially because I have some. This charm is from Catacorn Plans, the little Sailor Moon cat. And then this charm and this charm are also from Catacorn Plans. This is from a Printpression box. If you have any questions, let me know. So again, this is going to be this one's going to be empty. Compared to like my last one. So this was actually a little mat I got from Walmart. It was a skull and I cut it up and decided, hey, I'll use it as like texture deco, which I think looks cool to me anyways. And then if I wanted, I could flip it over and you could see the black. This cover, I have a lamination in it, and so it is a jelly cover. Wait, is it a jelly cover? Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't tell anymore. So it is a jelly cover with like the stars is what I meant. So inside I have a acetate and the Printpression paper from this same kit. I really am gonna set this up as like a winter theme, pink winter setup. So it's like not completed, but, and then we go to the inside. This sticker is by Natterbox, the Style Planner, and then Simply Gilded, and then the Honeybee Shop. This is by Mama Jean Plans. I think her shop's closed though, so I'm not sure if she even has these. Now, so like I said, this is like basically empty compared to the other ones, like with the deco wise and some of the things, because I didn't get this one until June. So yeah, anyways, I did go back and like decorate some of the old months, but we'll just switch. So basically I'll show you one of this month was the best representation of how I decorate the months. So I would mostly in this one I mark birthdays, school, paydays, and work. I do like to do different colors for different things, so that's that. And then these dividers are from the Left-Handed Leo. I love it. She did these custom. I was like, can you do stars? I don't like words. And like we went back and forth and she designed these for me. So it's super awesome. Now, oh, there's a but. So here we have, oh, I slipped it over here. So there's a pocket here, but because this is here, I can't reach into it. The pocket and this paper is Happy Scrappy. This is from Bumbleina Doodles. That's from me. This is Simply Gilded Washi. Happy Scrappy, Honeybee Shop, Happy Scrappy, and the paper is the Honeybee Shop. So now, this was me, like I have a few pages where I was like, oh, I don't know what to do. Like I know what I wanted to mark. Like I wanted to mark like work and stuff. So this was me still trying to figure out what I'm doing. I'm not trying to do a full flip here. This is like one of my favorite spreads. But again, I think, so is this one of my best? Okay, this is one of my favorite like type of layouts I had. I was like marking the days, you know, blah, blah, blah with stickers, separating it. Work, if I had like stuff I needed to do, work on this, work on this, work on this. Some stuff overlaps between this planner and my art planner. I just really liked this, and I know like some of the writing's not the cutest. And then I would mark like how much water I was having. I was using my Fitbit, but I that thing like gets me all stressed out. Like I feel like a slave to it. Like if I don't get the certain amount of steps, I'm like, oh, I'm a failure. Then I started marking homework. But now this is a very good representation of how I'm using my everyday carry right now. So basically, I usually use some sort of kit. This kit is by yours truly. I don't get why I don't like that saying, but this kit is one of my Halloween kits that I released. It is a pastel bat kit. It's only available in pastel. Someone asked me to do a white and black one. I just didn't have time, and I still haven't gone back to do that. But yeah, so this kit's by me. I always like to put these little check boxes here. I use them more as deco. I don't really check off. I never really do. The only ones I do are like the heart ones that a lot of people have, and I mark those off, but that's mostly in another type of planner. I use these as deco. I always use like washi to section off things. And basically, as you can see, when I mark my work, when I'm working, this is payday, so I always put that. And then like, if I have class, I'll mark it. And then this is me having the day off, so I marked that. And then con prep. Basically, like this is an appointment. So I just put little things. Like every day I want to accomplish one bigger thing, or if I have an appointment, that's what I put there. And homework, like over here I marked my homework, and still tracking water, but apparently I forgot to track it on Sunday. So that's the best representation of what I use this for. Guys, I don't use my notes. I tried to use this sticker flake. I don't personally like this. It stressed me out. I don't know, like, and also I didn't like my handwriting. So there's that. And then I got this, and I've not used it once. Can you believe? But that's mostly because every week I try and put because I get paid weekly, I try and put some amount of money from that paycheck to savings. So that's why I just don't use it. I haven't even washed the back of this. Like that's how I use this mostly just for my weeklies. Like that's what it is. So yeah, I don't know. This one is like not as super decoed as the other one, only because I got it later. Like I said, my planners for next year are gonna be on point because I know what I'm gonna do. I know what kind of setup I like, and I won't be switching from a planner like every few weeks. Basically, at the beginning of the year, I started in like a classic happy planner. Then I was using that and a mini happy planner, and I mean, I still have my spreads from my classic happy planner, and some of them are my nicest spreads. I do love vertical planning, like for the deco, but this is how I like to plan in my Hobonichi. And then, yeah, I'm gonna do a setup video, I think, of like when I get this full decoed out for like winter, because I have like this thing in my head, but it might not happen. I don't know. I don't really switch setups like all the time, like based on like I didn't do a fall setup. I'll do like fall spreads or like a Halloween spread, but I just don't have the time to change my setup like every different holiday. And I think a lot of it has to do with how a lot of girls have been planning for so long, like the super decorative planning, that they're just like, no, I know this is what this is going to look like, and and then I'm going to reuse this, and I'm still like kind of overwhelmed, like, oh, I want to do this, but I don't have the paper for that, or, oh, where's this going to go? And then not getting caught up in, oh, well, that's not cute. Kind of got off on a tangent. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, I tried to say where most of the stuff is from, but yeah, my next video I think I'm going to do on this is going to be my journal and my to-do planner, and they're going to be I think my journal one, I might not do a video on that, but I think I'm going to do my to-do planner and my Hobonichi cousin together because I haven't had them for very long, and I really don't want to make like a 2-minute video. I mean, this one's going to be short enough as it is. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about anything, about how I plan. Yeah, and if you'd like to leave a comment or like, feel free to do that. And if you'd like to subscribe, that would be awesome. Let me know what you guys think about this series, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!